Flanges are an essential part of any pressure relief system as they allow for easy installation and removal of pressure relief devices. Flanges are also standardized components that must be properly matched to the holder or rupture disc. The external diameter of the holder or of the disc is tangent to the bolts to center it easily between the flanges. This ensures that the holder or rupture disc is properly aligned and inserted within the pressure relief system. In addition, it's important to note that DonadonSDD is able to dimension its discs or holders in accordance with international standards, such as, for example, the European Standard EN 1092-1, the American Society of Mechanical Engineers, the American National Standards Institute, the British Standard, the Australian Standard, the South African Bureau of Standards, and the Japanese Industrial Standard. On request, it's also possible to supply holders or rupture discs with an external diameter equal to that of the flange to ensure a perfect match. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you have any further questions or require additional assistance, we're here to help. Please feel free to reach out to us via email at donadonsdd@donadonsdd.com. For more common inquiries, you may find your answers in our FAQ section at the DonadonSDD website.